We started with woods. This was just regular woods, just like over here. So this is regular, upland hardwood forest around here. This is what happens if you just walk away and leave it. But even a forest goes through a rotation. When this gets old and mature, it'll either burn or it'll fall over. So back in the Civil War, these fields up here were all cultivated for small grain. The Shenandoah Valley was the breadbasket of the Confederacy during the Civil War. And so we've come in and picked, not here, we feel like this is a little too steep, but this is forest, okay? This is exactly what the pig pasture looked like. We put the electric fence, we started rotating the pigs, and the pigs then, of course, they get in and they disturb this, okay? They start disturbing this and giving them, and we open it up, cut the big trees, open it up, and that awakens this latent seed bank that's been here since before the Europeans were here. This latent seed bank, it then sprouts and comes in as pasture. So people always ask me, what kind of seeds are you planting, all this stuff? No, listen, the seeds are here. All we have to do is change the management to a conducive habitat to enable or encourage, incentivize the seeds that have been sitting here dormant for so long to let them sprout. And it's like magic when they sprout. So we go from here, literally, no seeds planted, no plowing, no planting, no nothing, but take the trees down, put the pigs in with a very carefully managed rotation, and it turns into this. And these grasses, these are like ancient types of grasses that we don't even know what they are, but the pigs sure like them. And just looking at this, I can imagine bison, I can imagine elk, I can imagine, the primordial landscape here being like this. We're using it with pigs, and the beauty is that the pigs generate cash flow while we're growing tomorrow's forest. So we have that forestal income that's a kind of a once a generation, and then you have ongoing pig cash flow throughout the year, and it makes a wonderful place for the pigs, of course, to be.